Welcome guys, so today I am with Tozo NC2 earbuds and I'm going to show you how you can enter pairing mode in this earbud. So as you can see, in my case everything is fine and I can just find them on the list, right? But what you have to do when you cannot find them, that's very simple. So at the first you have to turn off the Bluetooth on your iPhone or Android phone, and then keep that case open, rotate like that, find this button on the back and then click and hold it. Click and hold until this indicators blinks. Let's make it right now. Click and hold. Right now you can release. Then you have to turn on Bluetooth on your device, and after a few seconds you will find them on the list. So as you can see, that's simple as that. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.